Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you accidentally delete a photo, documents or something important from your drive? In my previous video, we showed you how to recover them with TestDisk PhotoRec tool using the command line. That video got a huge response, but some of our viewers found it bit challenging. Actually, not everyone is comfortable diving into command line interface or CLI. The good news is PhotoRec also comes with a user-friendly graphical user interface, or you may call GUI. Today, we will guide you step by step through the process of recovering your lost files with PhotoRec GUI. No coding required, that's gonna be very easy. So stick around till the end and you will definitely recover your lost files or data. So first, you need to open your web browser and search for TestDisk download and hit enter. And from the search result, select and click on CGSecurity's official website. Once you are on that site, you will find lots of different versions. Above all, you will find latest release. You can read the latest release note by click on the link, and here you can clearly see that PhotoRec is a file recovery program designed to recover lost files, including video, documents and archive from hard disks, CD-ROM and lost picture from digital camera memory. Okay, so get back to the site, and here you will find it's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So no matter what systems you are using. So finally choose your operating system, whether it is a 64-bit or 32-bit. But here I am using 64-bit. Once I click on this, download process started. You can see. Once the download is complete, you will get a small zip file. Now you need to extract this folder. After that, open that extracted folder of TestDisk, and here you will find two applications, name PhotoRec Win and PhotoRec Win. PhotoRec Win is a command line version, but today we are focusing on PhotoRec. Okay, because it is a graphical user interface version, that means it is very user friendly and recover your files without any hassle. Okay. So just I need to minimize this, and here I am going to show you practically how you can recover your lost or deleted data. Okay, so for that, first let's plug in one pen drive. So this is my pen drive, and here you will find lots of files including audio, video and others. You can see the total file size showing approx 1.08 GB. Okay, so now I am going to format that drive. So let's do this. My drive is formatted now, and now you can check entire drive is empty. Now my challenge is to recover those files. Okay. So once again, open that TestDisk folder, and now you need to double click on PhotoRec Win application. Okay. Once this PhotoRec interface will open, at the very first you will find get an option saying please select a media to recover from. Under this you will find a drop down list. From here you need to select the drive from where you need to recover your lost data or files. So in my case I am going to select physical drive 2. You can see, which is Jet Plus transient 4 GB pen drive. Okay. So after that, under file system select either or. I just kept it as it is. Okay, so now in the right hand side you have an option to select free scan for file from unallocated space only, or whole extract files from whole partition. Okay, so I'm going to select whole. Now please select a destination to save the recovered files to. So here you can browse and select your desired path to save the recovered files. Okay. Now I am going to save it on my desktop in different folder which I have created earlier to save those files. So one thing you need to be noticed that it's always important to select a different destination to avoid overwriting any existing data. Okay. After that, click on file formats, and here you will get all types of file format. Choose the file formats you want to recover. If you want to recover only video files, then you can select MP4 only. See, if you want to recover an image file, you can select JPG or any other file format. That means depending on your requirement, you can recover your particular lost file format. So here I am going to choose to recover all file types. Then click on OK. Finally, click on search. Now you can see PhotoRec will start scan the selected disk or partition for lost files. This process may take some time depending on the size of your disk and the number of files. Okay. So be patient and wait until it finishes the scan. So it is a very powerful tool for data recovery, but you should remember that the sooner you act after deletion, the better your chances to recover your data. Okay. Once the scan is completed, you will notice that recover completed showing here. Now navigate to the destination folder, and now you can review the recovered files. But here you can notice that unfortunately recovered files won't have their original names. You can see. Now you will need to sort through them based on their file type, size and creation date if available, to identify what you are looking for. Okay. After that, now here you can see I recovered all my deleted files. Bravo! Including video, audio, PDF and other files. You can see from here. All my files has been recovered. So with PhotoRec, you can get your precious file back where they belongs, hopefully. Okay, and it's also very simple, just a few clicks and your files are back. So that's it. Hope this video has helped you with the knowledge and tools needed to retrieve your lost data successfully. And if you have successfully recovered your data, I would love to hear about it. You can drop a comments below and sharing your experience. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Okay, until next time, happy recovering.